Okay, YouTube friends and subscribers, here's a little update what's going on out here. I built myself or I'm in the process of building a battery shelf to hold my batteries. The second row of batteries that are supposed to be showing up here today. Today's May 7th, 2019. I got my little tractor out there with the forks on it because I have to go pick them up myself. They're coming in a tractor trailer truck. And then over here, gotta move my generators out of the way. Gotta reorganize these batteries down here. I gotta cut those 2x4s shorter that the batteries are sitting on. I've got a PVC conduit I'm gonna put on the wall here to go to the Midnight Classic charge controller. This is going away. I got a new box, well, same box with a breaker in it. That's getting reorganized. The Outback's coming down for the time being. The rest of this stuff is going to get lifted up, and that shelf is going to sit here on top of this layer of batteries. And I say layer of batteries because I have 4 more coming today to replace these that never got picked up. So what I'm doing is I'm putting a charge on them. They're charging up nice. Those were the original batteries I got that were 16 months old. And after numerous emails, like about 8, I think, 7 or 8, I'd have to look at my phone. They've still never come to get these batteries. They've never sent me a shipping label. And I'm pretty much done dealing with it. So if they don't come to get them, I'm going to put them in service. That's what's going to happen. So I'll have, at that point, if they don't pick these up today, I'll end up with 12 of these Outback nanocarbon batteries. Alright, I'll do an update in a little while when the truck gets here. I'm waiting for the phone call. I'll take it down to the road and show myself picking these up with my tractor, as they didn't send them out in the lift gate, and I guess they're on a pallet. Alright, I gotta cut this leftover piece of plywood down to fit on top of here and start moving the batteries around. Alright, I'll be back when I got more to update. Okay, I'm going to try to be as calm as I can possibly be and not swear. I just got done getting these friggin' batteries. See how nicely they were packed? Loose on a pallet. Had to get them out of the truck myself, which I didn't mind doing, except for the fact that they were loose. All gouged up, boxes broken, interconnects missing, bolts missing. I mean, you can't make this shit up. This is unbelievable. I mean, I'm speechless. Obviously, I'm not speechless because I'm talking. But I've never seen nothing like this in my life. See the boxes all destroyed? They got gouges all over the batteries, running all over these nail heads. All right, I'm going to cut this off right now because I'm too upset to be filming. But anyway, that's the update with my Outback batteries from the Alt-E store. Isn't that nice? That's just friggin' amazing. All right, I'll be back when I calm down. All right, here's an update here. I've calmed down a little bit. Checked the batteries up. They're a little scraped up. I'm missing 2 bags of bolts and 2 interconnects, which I don't need them at the second because 24 volts, I got plenty of interconnects. I emailed pictures to the Alt-E store. Got back to me right away. Asked me what I wanted to do. Do I want new batteries? Whatever. I'm just going to keep these. There's nothing wrong with them. They got a good charge on them. It's taken me 2 months to get them. That wasn't their fault. That was whoever packed these in Georgia. Never strapped them to the pallet. So bottom line, I got them. I'm going to use them. There's nothing wrong with them. These were made in November 2018, which they're a month newer than the ones I already have over here in service. I've got my shelf in place. Redid some of the wiring. Went and got my engine crane, which is how I'm going to lift those batteries. Those are 131 pounds a piece. I could lift them, but my hip is still killing me. I'm not going to put all that weight on my hip and break something. I'm in enough pain. And I asked the guy when he picked these up, when he dropped these off, if he was supposed to pick these batteries up, and the answer was he didn't know nothing about no batteries. So I got them over there on the charger. Looks like I'm going to get 16 batteries instead of 12. Anyway, that's it. I'm done dealing with these. I'm going to put them into service. So that's the update on the Outback nanocarbons. I finally got them 2 months and 2 days later after I originally paid for the first 4. So now I got 8. And I'll be back when there's more to update. Move those wires up. Tomorrow I'll start putting the batteries in place and do another update when I get that done, and the solar wires and the conduit and the breakers installed. And I lifted that inverter up too. I lifted that up 8 inches. So it's been a busy day. All right, I'll be back when there's more to show. That's it for now. Over and out. That's your update on the Outback nanocarbons, finally.